Dear students, let us look at unit number 4, which is the bottom of pyramid marketing. This concept was given by none other than an Indian, which was C.K. Prahlad, who was a professor of marketing at the University of Michigan. He wrote a book in 2004 that is The Fortune at the Bottom of the Pyramid, Eradicating Poverty Through Profits. Now, this book basically talks about the poor who are in abundance and in a large population and can act as an opportunity for large amount of profits for the MNCs. Now let's look at what is the population status. In India, Bihar is the second largest with the poor population of 42%. Odisha being the largest, 47%, whereas Punjab is the least with poor of just 6%. Now, how do we understand the poverty? There are four different classifications of the public. One is the rich, second is the middle class, third is the lower income group, fourth is the poor or the BPL, those having an annual income of less than 1 lakh. Now, McKinsey, the most important uh, firm which is doing in research, has given 5 different classifications to the rich. That is, first, the global Indians, they refer to the rich. The strivers, the seekers refer to the middle class. The aspirers refer to the lower middle class. And the deprived refer to the BOP or the BPL. That means BPL means below the poverty line. How do you understand the base of pyramid? Now, it refers to that segment of the population which has got very less purchasing power, which is 400 million people in India and around 4 billion people in the world. They are unable to fulfill their basic needs and their earning per day is less than $2 a day. That means 150 rupees a day. Now, there are two categories of such people. One is the BPL category, the other is segment within middle and lower middle is meant by this. Now, when we talk of the current situation, the 40 billion people all over the world, they are unable to meet their demands as far as their basic needs are concerned because they can't afford it. And secondly, only the rich people can go to various sites, can go to global companies to buy whatever stocks, whatever needs they have for the products and can buy at any price. But what about others? They cannot buy, but they have equal right to use those products. So what does it indicate? It indicates that many companies initially were focusing only on top or the rich people, but over a period of time, the other companies they started looking at different avenues of making profits. It was a big factor. The people who were living in the poverty line, they could not buy the products which were highly priced. So what they were buying to the poor quality product, service products, and they were happy with it. But then the companies decided that why not to target such people who do not have earning potential, but at least they can buy our product with a small amount of money. So what do you do? The first concept came through a company called Go. Their products of refrigerators. So they produced a refrigerator for the rural persons which was without electricity. And similarly, the Hindustan Unilever, Tata Chemicals, Eureka Forbes, they all came up with such water purifiers which were available to the and were priced at very, very minimum price and were operational without the electricity. Now, this was the basic concept that started with the subject. Then the realization came from the fact that the poor could not buy in bulk from the supermarkets. So, how do they buy? We should put our products in a single use pouch for local markets with the same quality but keeping the price as minimum as possible. So the concept started that the companies introduced sachet at the FMCG sector, where all the poor people, if they were to buy a Dove shampoo or for L'Oreal or for bigger other products which were very expensive otherwise, for 2 rupees they could enjoy the same as the other people in the world would enjoy. So this was how the basics of the pyramid of started. So we will continue with this session tomorrow. Thank you.